Hello students. Now let's discuss Transportation Engineering, Unit 4 from the latest 2024 JDO exam. Are you ready? Question 86. The trees should be planted -m away from the center of the carriageway. Correct answer, C. 12. Explanation. Trees are typically planted 12 meters away to avoid obstruction to sight distance and ensure safety from vehicle collision. Too close, and they become dangerous. Too far, and they lose roadside aesthetics and shade benefits. Question 87. Plastic limit is defined as. Correct answer, B. Minimum moisture content in which the soil remains in plastic stage. Explanation. The plastic limit is the lowest moisture content at which soil can be molded without cracking. Below this, soil becomes brittle. Think of clay, too dry, and it crumbles. Question 88. Classification of cohesive soils is revealed from. Correct answer, C. The values of liquid limit and plasticity index. Explanation. These two values help define the consistency and workability of soil. Liquid limit tells us when soil becomes flowy, and the plasticity index measures its plastic range. Question 89. The ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of a given soil is. Correct answer, B. Porosity. Explanation. Porosity is equal to void's total volume. It shows how much of the soil is empty space. This affects drainage and strength. Question 90. Masonry stones laid to retain watercourse approaches and prevent erosion are called. Correct answer, C. Revetment. Explanation. Revetments are sloped structures placed on banks to absorb water energy and prevent soil erosion, like armor for riverbanks. Question 91. Plate load test is generally performed to determine. Correct answer, A. Ultimate bearing capacity of soil. Explanation. This test involves placing a plate on soil and loading it to measure how much load the soil can safely support before failing. Question 92. Structures constructed for crossing highly fluctuating streams submerged during high floods. Correct answer, C. Causeway. Explanation. Causeways are low-level roads across water. They get submerged in floods but are economical for intermittent water crossings. Question 93. Ruling gradients provided in plain area is. Correct answer, B. 150. Explanation. This is the standard slope used for roads in flat areas, balancing ease of travel and construction cost. Question 94. The primary object of providing camber is. Correct answer, A. Easy drainage. Explanation. Camber gives the road a slight slope to allow rainwater to run off quickly, like a shallow V shape to avoid waterlogging. Question 95. The success of surface dressing mainly depends on. Correct answer, D. The correct proportion of binder and aggregate. Explanation. Too much binder makes it slippery, too little causes raveling. Balance is key for durability and skid resistance. Question 96. The dash loading is adopted on heavy military vehicles roads like national highways. Correct answer, A. IRC Class A. Explanation. Class A loading is used for heavily trafficked roads, particularly where military or heavy commercial vehicles operate. Question 97. For waterbound Macadam Road, the recommended camber is. Correct answer, B. 1 in 30 to 1 in 1948. Explanation. This slope ensures water doesn't seep into the layers and damage the road base. Question 98. Lower water content required when clay is completely saturated is known as. Correct answer, C. Shrinkage limit. Explanation. It's the moisture content below which clay stops shrinking, useful in understanding settlement behavior. Question 99. Which BIS code is required for the IS soil classification? Correct answer A. IS 1498 to 1970. Explanation: this is the standard used to classify soil types based on properties like grain size and plasticity. Question 100. The clear distance between the end supports of a bridge is termed as. Correct answer B. Clear total span. Explanation: this is the actual unobstructed distance between the supports critical for structural design. Question 101. The difference of levels of the downstream and upstream water surface of the bridge. Correct answer D. Afflux. Explanation: afflux occurs due to obstruction by bridge piers, causing water to pile up on the upstream side. Question 102. Traffic density is. Correct answer: number of vehicles per unit length of a road. Explanation: think of it as traffic crowding, not per hour, but per kilometer. Question 103. Main disadvantage of traffic signal is. Correct answer C. Rear-end collisions may increase. Explanation: sudden stopping at signals can cause vehicles behind to crash if not attentive, especially in high-speed zones. Question 104. A shape of camber with flat middle and steep edges is called. Correct answer D. Parabolic camber. Explanation: it ensures smooth drainage while minimizing discomfort to vehicles, gentle center, steeper edges. Question 105. The structural foundation of the road is called. Correct answer A. Subgrade. Explanation: the subgrade is like the bed of the road. It supports all the layers above and determines road strength. That's all, students. Keep practicing, and we'll meet you in the next important video. Until then, keep preparing. Thank you.